Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce my name Nur Rahma Ika Wati, a student of Maulana Malik Ibrahim State Islamic University Malang, with the number of students 21060311085, majoring in chemistry, Faculty of Science and Technology. I am from Pasuruan, East Java, can be called Rahma. Our Earth's atmosphere and air pollution. Earth's atmosphere. What's the atmosphere? Earth's atmosphere is a layer of gases that surrounds the Earth from its surface to deep in space. The height of the atmosphere is between an altitude of 0 km above ground level to an altitude of about 560 km above the Earth's surface. The arrangements of the atmosphere consists of layers distinguished by composition, chemical reaction, ionization, and temperature levels. Based on its temperature, the atmosphere is composed of 5 layers with different temperatures, namely the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. The uppermost layer of the atmosphere is so thin and tenuous that free-moving particles can escape the Earth's gravitational pull and be blown into space by the solar wind. In contrast, the condition of the lowermost layer of the atmosphere is very thick and consists of gases, water, and dust that cause rain and change in the season and weather. The troposphere and stratosphere layers are used as transportation routes for aircraft. Okay, next, troposphere and stratosphere. The atmosphere consists of 5 layers, where the layers differ in terms of temperature and air pressure due to differences in the absorption of solar energy. One of them is the stratosphere and troposphere, which are the most important layers for humans and are vulnerable to change due to human activities. The stratosphere is the Earth's protective layer, and the troposphere is the layer on which we live. The stratosphere is the Earth's protective layer. This layer retains 99% of the sun's ultraviolet radiation so that it does not reach the Earth's surface. Meanwhile, the troposphere is one of the layers in which humans live. A clean and dry troposphere contains 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen. Furthermore, air pollution can cause many impacts, including greenhouse effect or global warming, the use of fossil fuels by humans that produce CO2 gas in large quantities. This CO2 gas cannot be directly rejected in the carbon cycle, so it accumulates and forms a layer in stratosphere, and the increase in the Earth's temperature is expected to affect high climate patterns at sea level. The second is it can make the ozone layer in the stratosphere thin. It all results in an increase in UV to the Earth and has a very much impact. But for health, plants and ecosystem, then the third is to cause acid rain that harms both animals and plants, also have an impact on human health and corrosion of building materials and metals. On our Earth, most are part of the ocean rather than the land, and behind all that there are environmental problems caused by several factors, such as the environmental pollution from the air caused by human hands themselves and industries. For example, pollution from vehicle fumes, all of which provide side effects of disruption, for example, on air quality. airplane flights as a result of which the view will be less clear and can also cause climate change. Then the next can cause global warming that has impact on the melting of polar ice, as the result of which the volume of seawater becomes increased and also has an impact on polar bear population. It is not feel that the impact of environment. It is not feel that the impact of environmental problems can also be affected our bodies, which can be seen through skin changes such as the appearance of wrinkle in youth. One solution to reduce air pollution is to harness nuclear energy and can take care of lands as well as trees or forests around us. Well done! Some explanation from me about the atmosphere and air pollution, hopefully understandable. Thank you for taking care of and loving our earth. Every small action counts. Let's protect the environment together. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.